Fistula in ano. What is fistula in ano? Fistula is a problem wherein there is an infection of the gland in the anus which forms a tunnel and comes out and opens on the skin of the buttocks around the anus, and it discharges pus or watery fluid. This is usually a chronic, long-standing problem. There are times when the patient feels that there is some pus or fluid coming out from around the anus region. It dries up for a few weeks, again it occurs, and that is the typical history how a patient with fistula presents. Fistula in ano is one of the most difficult problems to treat in surgery. So there has always been a search to find better and better methods of treatment. Traditionally, the treatment involved a surgical removal of the entire fistulous tract from the opening in the skin to the infected gland. But these are involved with large incisions, repeat operations, longer recovery time, and pain after the treatment. A latest advancement in the treatment of fistula is done with the help of laser technology, and this is called PhyLac treatment, where a laser beam is used to pass into the fistula tract and completely burns and destroys the infected gland along with the tract. The main advantage of a laser treatment of fistula is shorter recovery time, absence of a cut or a wound, and the associated pain which is and there is less pain associated with this treatment. The patient generally recovers fast and is able to attend office within a couple of days after the treatment. Laser treatment is usually done as a daycare procedure. The patient comes in the morning, gets the fistula treatment done, and can go back in the evening on the same day. This is especially suited for patients who have complex fistulae, wherein there are multiple tracts in the fistula, or in patients who have had fistula operations in the past, the operation has failed and the fistula has reoccurred. In such patients, treatment with laser is of much advantage.